So here's a driveway we just finished in West Lake Hills, just west of Austin. It was a concrete driveway that had some really bad cracks in it. Lots of expansive soil over here. Tons of foundation problems in Austin, which is really a great place to have pavers, because if there is a problem with a driveway, you can always pull them up and put them back in. But take a look at this driveway, it's pretty cool. So all this concrete all around all these edges had like a 2-foot deep concrete footing all the way around. So when we demoed the concrete, there was like 2 feet of concrete here, and there was a big hole because when they poured the concrete, apparently they didn't grade it, so they just filled the hole. So this area should have taken like 3 trucks, ended up being like 7 or 8 trucks. The other thing that we did for the homeowner is that they didn't have any parking. And the driveway was actually wider. It used to come out all the way over here. There was a different color concrete pour that went all the way up the side. So we made the driveway consistent 14 feet, but then we added this 18 by 20 parking area, so their guests could have a place to park when they came over. Anyways, we just wrapped it up, and homeowners super excited about it, and that's what we like, making paver dreams come true. We knocked this one out of the park. We demoed it. We're just under 2 weeks it took us to do it.